If you wanna do a load driven shot in episode 26, here how it works. As you're running toward the goal, tap the shoot button lightly. The key is to keep the shot power under 40%. Once you go above that, the ball starts to lift. So while aiming, just tap the button and stay under that 40% range. That's how you will get a nice flat load driven shot. If you want a bit more speed behind it, you can increase the power slightly, but don't cross that 40% mark or it will rise off the ground. The same rule applies for finish shot. If you use too much power, you will see that curve arc up into the air, but when you tap it gently under 40%, it turns into a low driven finish instead. And even with the power shot, you can keep it low by simply tapping it instead of holding the button down. For example, if you're going across goal and you just tap the shot, the ball will stay grounded perfectly. And yeah, that's basically how you control load driven shots across all types, standard, finish and power. Keep your shot below 40% power and you'll consistently get those flat, fast finishes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.